Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play online in Pokémon Legends Arceus. While it's primarily a single-player journey, there are a few ways to connect with other trainers over the internet. These online features can add a unique dimension to your Hisuian adventure, helping you complete your Pokédex and gather valuable items. Remember, a Nintendo Switch Online membership is essential for accessing most of these online functionalities. One of the main online interactions is trading Pokémon with other players. Head to the trading post in Jubilife Village, located near the Galaxy Hall. Here, you can initiate trades with friends who are nearby or connect with trainers across the globe. This is a fantastic way to acquire version-exclusive Pokémon or those that evolve through trading, making your Pokédex completion much smoother. Another unique online feature involves recovering lost satchels. When other players faint in the field, they drop a satchel. You can find these satchels during your own explorations. Returning them to their owners through the menu earns you merit points. These points are incredibly valuable, as you can exchange them at the trading post for rare evolution items, which are crucial for evolving certain Pokémon. Finally, you can access mystery gifts and ensure your game is up to date. Mystery gifts allow you to receive special items, Pokémon, or other bonuses distributed by Nintendo. Simply connect your Nintendo Switch to the internet and navigate to the mystery gift option in your game menu. Regularly checking for game updates also ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and any new content available for your Hisuian adventure.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.